Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Glide, create apps from Spreadsheets step by step clearly. To start logging into Glide, open your web browser and navigate to the Glide homepage. On the homepage, locate the login option, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Glide account in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Glide dashboard. From the dashboard, you can start creating apps from your spreadsheets. To do this, select the New Project button. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your needs. Now, connect your Google Sheets by clicking on the Connect Sheet option. Select the spreadsheet you want to use for your app. Review the data that has been imported to ensure everything is correct. Customize your app by adding components from the Glide library. Once your app is ready, click Publish to make it live. Congratulations! You are now logged into Glide and can create your apps effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.